Hi friends, let's learn colors name. Yellow color, light green color, pink color, red color, blue color, brown color, sky blue color, light pink color, orange color, deep green color. A for apple. B for ball. B. C for cat. C. D for doll. D. E for elephant. E. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nut. O for owl. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rain. S for sun. T for train. U for umbrella. V for W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yarn. Z for zebra. Subscribe our channel. Bye bye दोस्तों.